Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a logo and browser icon in Squarespace. Let's get started. First, open up squarespace.com and log into your account. You can do this by visiting account.squarespace.com, then select the website that you want to edit. Once you've selected your website, click on Edit on your site preview. Hover over your header and select Edit Site Header. Now click on the title, where you see a little pencil icon. Click on it and the settings will open up where you'll see site title and logo. So you want to give your site a title and name, even if you are uploading a logo, because this is searchable in Google. For example, I will type Heroes. You can now upload your logo, and if you wish, you can upload separate ones for desktop and mobile. So I've quickly created my logo in Canva. If you're doing the same, I want to emphasize one important note. When you download it, make sure you choose a transparent background. If you are using the free version of Canva, ensure the background color matches the background of your site to avoid having a colored block behind your logo. Once you've done that, click on Download. After that, to upload the logo, click on the plus icon and select Upload a File. Now, browse the logo file you want to upload. Once the logo is uploaded, you'll be able to adjust its height as needed. Preview and adjust the height. To preview how it looks on mobile, click on the Mobile View option in the top right-hand corner. If you need to make changes later, come back to Edit Site Header, click on the logo, and then click the pencil icon to edit it, and you'll be able to preview and adjust the height if needed for mobile devices. Once you're satisfied, click Done and then save. That's how you can add a logo and browser icon in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.